Instead of jumping between Google Docs for writing, Canva for design, Notion for notes, image generators for visuals, and transcription tools just to capture ideas. What if you could stop juggling apps and do it all in one place? And that's exactly what TeraBox is promising. So this is TeraBox, and it is famous for cloud storage, but not anymore because TeraBox is offering way more than cloud storage now. And they call it one box and infinite AI space. So today I'm testing if it actually works. So just go to terabox.com and sign up using your Google account, and you can start using it absolutely for free. Even their premium plans are also very cheap, but let's just start using it with the free plan. So once you're signed up, this is the dashboard that you'll see. And now we are going to try one of the most asked features, which is AI presentation maker. Because if you have ever spent hours formatting slides, you are going to love this tool. So here you can just explain your idea. You can choose between different number of slides, and then you can choose between agent, which is AI powered design and content. And then there is another mode, which is standard, which is quick slides with standard templates. And then there is this Beautify Slides as well that can create slides for you from plain to polished slides. So here you can just upload your existing PPT file and it will just beautify those slides. But let's just use this agent option. So I generally want to create a presentation about the use of AI in warfare, and I have asked it to use some real world scenarios. So this is my simple prompt, and I'll just click on continue. And now it is going to generate 5 to 10 slides presentation for us. We could create a more longer presentation as well, but let's just go with this. And here you can see it is basically creating the outline for each of these slides. So let's just wait for it to finish this outline. There you go. You can see the presentation outline is ready. Now I can just change or modify the content in here, or I can simply just click on this generate presentation. And now it is going to generate presentation for us based on these outlines. And you can see it is not just like flooding some random information. It is basically acting as an AI agent. It is looking for information from internet, and then it is basically organizing the content. And just have a look at this. Actually, it's literally, it just created this presentation in less than like literally 30 seconds. And it is using these real images, and these slides look really professional. It doesn't look gimmicky or childish. It looks like a really proper, well thought out presentation. And also we got resources for information as well, so you can just maybe cross check, cross verify the resources as well. And you can see it has used the latest information. All of these blogs are from 2026. So you can see it has used the latest information to make sure that all of the data which is presented in here is latest and up to date. So if I just click on this full screen, and you can see now I can access this presentation on full screen. And this presentation, this entire presentation was created in literally less than 30 seconds right in front of you. Now I can just download this presentation as PPT or as PDF, or I can just simply click on this share button, and there is this dedicated link for this presentation. I can simply just click on copy link, and now I can just share this link with anyone, and they can directly access this presentation in here. Honestly, if I had to do this manually, it could easily take 1 to 3 days just for research plus extra time to design. And now it is done with it just like one click in less than literally 30 seconds. And all of the data is searched in real time from Google, and that too from authentic sources. Now, if you don't want to create a presentation from scratch, and let's suppose you already have a presentation, but it looks very ugly and very basic, so you can just use this Beautify Slides. Just upload your PPT file in here, and it will just beautify your existing presentation. It will use your existing research data, your existing content, and then just beautify those slides to make it more presentable. So let's just quickly try this Beautify Slides feature. I got this presentation in here. This is a very basic, very simple presentation. So I'll just drag in here. Let me just quickly first show you how it looks like. So this is a simple plain presentation with just text. There is no styling, no formatting, nothing. It's just like a simple basic presentation. It's a 15 pages presentation. So what I can do, I can now simply just ask it to beautify, or simply just click on continue, because I have already uploaded the presentation, and you can see it has already started the beautification process. So first it is analyzing the slide content, then it is matching the style and optimizing the layouts, then it is enhancing the visual elements, then it is basically finalizing the beautified slides. So this is how simple and easy the whole process is, and you can see it takes less than literally just a minute. So there you go. You can see the beautified presentation is here, and it looks much better already if I just present it like this. So you can see this is what it has just created. This is the input that we just gave it. So this is a basic presentation, And now this is the beautified presentation, all of the beautified slides. You can see you can actually achieve a certain look or certain style. You can just give that prompt in the beginning. So here inside this prompt box, you can just like define what sort of styling you want. So it will then create the design of the presentation accordingly. But in this case, I just uploaded the PPT file and I just completely relied on this tool, and this is what it has created. And I am completely satisfied by the results, because from literally just basic slides, it created this amazing, well presentable presentation. For professionals, this is massive. Consultants, students, startup founders, agency owners, this alone can save hours every week. Now let's move to the next tool, which is AI image generation. Inside TeraBox, you can generate images without Photoshop skills. Just describe what you want. Like in my case, I want to create a modern AI conference poster with futuristic blue theme. Then simply just click on generate. And now it is going to use Google Nano Banana to generate this image, which is one of the best AI image models out there right now. And there you go, you can see our poster for AI Summit is ready. You can see the sharp details, clean text rendering, and the spellings and everything is accurate. And the design overall is really professional as well. And as I mentioned earlier, they are using Nano Banana Pro model, which improves text accuracy inside images, and that's usually where most AI tools actually struggle. You can manage everything inside My Creations if you just click on that, and you can manage all of your generated images and your videos. You can download your generations or share or maybe delete or maybe just give feedback. And this is actually useful for professionals to create posters and slide visuals, and also for e-commerce sellers to create product images, and even content creators as well to create thumbnail covers, and for also regular users as well to create social posts and to create their like profile pictures and avatars. It centralizes everything all in one space. Now here's where this becomes more interesting. TeraBox is not just positioning this as just an AI presentation tool. It is becoming an all-in-one productivity workspace. Beyond presentations and AI image generation tools, it also includes AI writing, deep research, smart paraphrase, AI transcribe, video generation, and even real-time speech-to-text transcription as well, which is really useful for AI notes taking and organizing your notes. So instead of jumping between Google Docs, Canva, Notion, image generators, and transcription tools, you are consolidating into one AI workspace. And because TeraBox originally started as an AI cloud storage, you also get centralized file management. That combination is powerful. Now, who is this actually for? Let's just break this down clearly. TeraBox is really useful for students to create project presentations instantly, and also for professionals as well to prepare polished decks for meetings, and startup founders as well to prepare investor pitch decks in minutes, and also for creators to create visuals without hiring designers, also for e-commerce sellers as well to create product images without a studio. If you value speed and output quality, then this truly makes sense. Now, is this replacing a professional designer for high-end brand work? Well, not entirely, but for 80% of everyday productivity tasks, yes. The biggest value here is compression. Research plus design plus formatting. Now all of that is reduced to one click, and that's the real shift AI is creating. If you want to try it yourself, just go to Google, look for TeraBox AI, or just click on the link in description and then just sign up and try any of the tools. And do let me know in the comment section what you think about TeraBox. If you have any further questions, just leave your comments in the comment section, and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.